guys, it's Sejal. So I had some time on my hands recently and I went down into the black hole of looking at my old photos and scrolling down my social media. Spotify's Forever Favorites new share card allows you to share your forever favorite songs and podcasts with the world, which I thought would be the perfect way to look back and relive those memories with my forever favorite songs and podcasts and share them with you. So here goes. Number 1, when I moved to Mumbai last year, my song on repeat was Wake Up Sid. It was such a big moment for me to go flat hunting, find my own place to live, have the courage to move out of home and go to a completely new city with no proper setup, no friends, nothing really. And it just reminded me of that song, Wake Up Sid, and especially the montage in the movie where they're setting up the house, setting up this small cute flat and making it really beautiful. Number 2, my trip to Seoul, South Korea. So this moment I associate with the song Idol from BTS. I was really excited to go to South Korea because I am a huge fan of K-pop and the whole Korean culture. Idol from BTS was the first song I discovered from the K-pop world, so those colors and those visuals are really fresh in my mind. Number 3 is a big one, my first original song release, which was in this Feb. So of course the song that I associate with that is my own, Aisi Hoon. Shameless freaking promo. This was a huge dream for me and I got to do it with the most amazing project ever, which was for girls' education. It's so cool to just see your own song on Spotify. I mean, that's like a dream come true and all, and I was really happy too. Number 4, not so happy but real. So as you guys know, I took a break from social media for a bit right now for more than a month, and that's because I was going through a tough time, mentally struggling with anxiety and lots of pressure, and I'm not ashamed to admit it because I feel like I want to be real and not just portray this picture of I'm perfect and I'm happy and yeah. I was trying to just consume things on the internet which made me feel positive, which made me feel like I'm good enough. And a podcast that really helped me at that time was On Purpose by Jay Shetty. He is really inspiring to me and I love his take on life, and a lot of things that he mentioned on his podcast really did help me out. And the 5th and last one is mid-lockdown, once I was kind of in middle of my social media break, where I felt like I refound my motivation to create. A song that I would listen to a lot then was Fly Me to the Moon. Not the original, which is amazing obviously, but the Joy-tastic version. It's very chill and is a lo-fi version, which is another genre of music I discovered. It just makes me feel really peaceful. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. My Forever Favorites list is up on my stories, so you can check it out. And don't forget to swipe up on my stories to share your Forever Favorites list as well. Don't forget to tag Spotify and me when you do that. I would love to see what your Forever Favorites are. And I'll see you soon. Bye.